and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Desi and Katy X Dose of Colors video. I am going to be showing you how to create this look. So today I went to Ulta at 11 a.m. I literally was in there at 11 a.m. on the dot, and there was the longest line for people already going to pay. So they open at 11 on Sundays, if you guys did not know. And so I was very shocked by 11:03 when I was in line that everyone was attacking the collection, basically. So I'm really glad I did not go to brunch and then go afterwards. That is what I was going to do. So I'm not sure if my Ulta already sold out. I'm pretty sure they already did, looking at how many people were already waiting outside. And we're already in line. This is what it looks like. It's their same packaging as last time. So today I used Dirty Money, Churro, Cheens, and what is that one? Girl Bye. This pink shade on my lower lash line. I really love this palette. It's very beautiful. I love these three shades here and how they're a little bit different. So if I wanted to do something crazy, I could definitely do so. And when you're on vacation, especially like a little bit more of a tropical place, these are some really great colors. I use their new highlighter, Chasing the Sun, and their new lipstick in Aftermath, which is like the perfect fall color. I literally love it. So if you guys didn't get it, I love this collection. And to see how to recreate this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my base on. I don't have any foundation. I just have concealer on my blemishes and around my eyes. I have primer for my lids. I think I'm going to start with Necessary, which is this very light brown beige color right there. I'm gonna take that into my crease. Churro, that nice brown color right there, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the outer V. Colors are blending really smooth. Again, just packing some more of that color into that outer V. I'm gonna actually clean it up afterwards, so it's fine if it's a little bit messy or going too much onto the lid, because I'm gonna take concealer. We're gonna cut the crease and set up a nice base. And this has nothing on it. I'm just gonna use this to blend. And then what I'm gonna do is take a smaller blending, and I'm gonna take the color Cheens and use that to define the V a little bit more. Like that. I'm gonna take another brush that doesn't have anything on it and use that to blend everything together. And now that I have a pretty dramatic smoked out outer V, I am going to take a concealer brush. This is the Lexi 211, and I'm going to take some of my Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser and pump it out onto the back of my hand like so. And then I'm going to take that to cut the crease. Take a smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with Dirty Money and use that everywhere we put concealer. This color is literally so unique. Like, I'm looking at it and it hits the gold, but then it looks green. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. And then what I'm gonna do is the same small part of the brush, I am going to take Jeans and put it on the outer V and bring it up a little bit just to define that crease. You see the difference? So I'm just gonna do that to the other side. Bring it up slightly. I'm going to take a little bit of my NYX liquid liner and line the top of my lash line. And I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup, and then I will finish off the eye look and add on some more new products. So I will be right back. What I'm gonna do is bake right underneath my contour. Just so it stands out. I'm gonna leave that for a few seconds. But while we're waiting, I'm gonna go in with the new highlighter. This is the Chasing the Sun highlighter. Looks like this. And highlight everywhere that I usually would. This is so cute. It's very much a gold highlighter. More gold than their other two. I know one of the two from the last collection was a little bit too dark for my skin tone to use as a regular highlighter, but I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose. And it's pretty much their same formula. So as you can see, I cleaned up the corners of my eye with concealer when I was doing my foundation. So I cleaned that up, and I think I'm gonna go in with Girl Bye, that pink shade, and put that in my lower lash line because why not? Just add a little bit more color. And it's not too pink, which I love. It's actually a little bit of a darker pink. So it stands out, but it doesn't stand out too much. Like, ooh, she just fell in the bucket of color or something. And went crazy. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my lower lash line with a nude liner, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX Wonder Pencil. This is literally, it's almost all gone because it's my favorite. There we go, and it just opens up the eye even more. I'm just gonna wipe off this extra big. Before anything else, I'm just gonna spray my face and set it with Max Fix Plus. Just a little bit. And I did get one of each of the new lip products, like formula wise. So I got the lipstick, the liquid velvet lip, and the gloss. So I think I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. I got the color Aftermath. So I tried to get the darker of the lip products just because I feel like light ones are a little bit harder for me to wear. I don't really like to line my lips with a lip liner or anything, and unless I'm putting it just in the center of my lips with under another lipstick, I don't find myself wearing the lighter shade that they came out with last time either. I really love this color though. This is definitely like 100% a fall lip color. I'm gonna apply some mascara and fix my hair, and I'll be right back just to show you the completed look. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked the video. I will go ahead and swatch the other products. This is the most gloss. Definitely has a little bit more of those pink reflex. I am wearing Aftermath. And that's what it looks like. It's very, very pigmented. It was very easy to apply to, and I'm wearing it without a lip liner, and it is doing very, very well. And then I got my main liquid lip, which looks like this. So those are the three that I got. And then another close-up of the Chasing the Sun. And then the Friendcation palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the look. If you guys have any other requests, definitely leave them down below and I will try to get to them. Stay tuned. Make sure to put on the post notifications, and if you aren't subscribed, please, I would really appreciate it if you do. Thank you again so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!